Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. That and this is Anjanappa here. So I'm come up with a new video on the Google Nano Banana A as well as Google Gemini. So nowadays people are going viral with in the Instagram as well as in the Facebook actually. Uh, and that much of a intelligence has built in part of our Gemini as well as Nano Banana. He guys, like no need to pay any amount for creating such viral post actually. So you can just need a only Google account. That's all. Like without paying any amount actually, you can go viral. Okay, so you can observe that like a lot of Facebook and even Instagram filled with a lot of trending image creation like viral post. So I'll be explaining with a simple prompts how to create such type of viral videos as well as viral images. So please stay tuned till end of our video. Get benefited, guys. Thank you. Hello, guys. You can see that we can see this is a I generated like a image actually viral post using the simple prompt. I'll be explaining how to create a such type of viral post using the like with a simple prompt, like no need to pay any amount. So this is also I generated. This is also I generated. Hello, guys. I'm going to give the demo, or like I'm going to explain how to create a viral post actually using with a simple prompt. So I'm not going to use any like paid website or paid this one. So I'll be using the simple prompt, and with a free of cost, just we can create a such type of images, and we can go ahead the post into the Instagram or even the Facebook actually, guys. So here you see here, I come up with a few like a very good prompt. I'll be sharing with you guys actually as a input. Okay, so so I'll be giving a little bit on the like how to use the Google Nano A or Google Gemini. So that is we are going to use the for image creation and as well as even video creation also. So the without paying any amount, we can proceed for the basically on the image creation part. So I have already prompts actually. You can see that this is how I created the this one, and using this prompt also I created this image, and this prompt I created this statue image actually. So yeah, so I'm going to give the demo. Okay, so let's see like how it goes actually. So go open your Google Chrome. So just type the Google Studio. Okay, Google .com. So once you got type in the google.com, so type Google AI Studio. So when you type the Google AI Studio, so it will first website will be open and open here. Okay, so see, there are two ways to create images. Actually, one is using the Gemini and as well as Nano Banana AI. So this is a free of cost, like no need to pay. There is a restriction actually. Sometimes you cannot create multiple this one. So I'll be see, you click on the try Nano Banana option from the this Google Chrome. So this one, when you enter like it is automatically generates some text actually. You just remove and uh, and you need to paste your prompt, then attach your image. Okay, so I'll be attaching and creating one. So I'm going to create a this one. Okay, let's create a yeah. So statue of the image. Okay, so copy. No, no. I'll create a statue. So I copy the prompt actually. So once copy prompt, uh, paste on the Google AI Studio. Then before running, you just click on the upload your image. So I have already some image which is to give the demo only. So I'm going to attach. Okay. So yeah, I kept for only for the demo. Okay. So I'm attaching this guy. Guys, see it. After attaching, so just click run. So within a fraction of a minute, or like we can say that within 1 or 2 minutes, so it is going to generate the model. Okay, it is going to generate the viral post. Guys, here, wow, such amazing. Within a 14 second only, it has started the image like this viral. This one, see here. This is how it has built the statue. Okay, so you can utilize, you can post in either viral like in either in Facebook or Instagram, wherever you whichever social platform to get go on viral, guys. Okay, so I'll be using another to give the demo. I have prompt actually, so I can provide if we comment on the like a video to this one. Okay, yeah. So I'll be using this one. Okay, I think this is a very trending. I'll copy this one. I'm going to give the okay. I'm attaching some image actually. Yeah. So I'm going to give this one. Okay. So I see, guys, I copy pasted the prompt and attached just the image. So you can replace your image like whatever image you want. Okay. So just run it. So wait for 1 minute. So it is going to create the yeah. Wow, guys, this image is ready. Okay. So you just open it, see how it has created, guys. Okay, within a minute. So how it has created. Wow, see here. Wow, uh, just awesome. Okay, guys. So even image also looks realistic, guys. So then now let's go to same image if you want to convert actually. So I'm going to download this image. Okay, so there is a download option. You can just click on the download option. Okay, so I'm going to click the download option here. So it is going to download. Okay, I'm going to how to give the like create a video, right? So I am opening another global free tool. Sometimes like this is a hack actually. So we can use either runway ml. Okay, so runway, yeah, runway ml. And guys, so this is a website. So just click on this one. So then, generally, once if you use the your credits, right, I think you won't get it for the next credit. You need to purchase. Okay, so I'll tell you the tricks actually how to create a runway ML the video also without paying any cost actually, guys. So just you go to, there is a, see here, so temp email. Okay, so temp mail will come, guys, actually. Yeah. So once when you type a temp email, so it is temporary email, you will get it. Okay. So temporary email. Yeah, guys. See here. There is a temporary email. It is given. You just copy this one temporary email, and then go to on the same browser. You just, like, I think I have credits actually, guys. Same thing only I approached. So when you use a temporary email and just log out to this one. So see here, you need to sign up. Okay, sign up. Click on sign up free. So this I'm going to give this one. Okay, so yeah, this is already news. Okay, just refresh another, guys. Okay, just refresh. You will get another one. Yeah, it is going to give it. Okay, so and you need to just, like, even OTP also will come here, guys, actually. So I'm going to give the this one. I'm going to refresh again. Yeah. So yeah, it is. Oh, sorry, I taken. Okay, so you need to just log in, guys, actually. So this is how similarly, let's say something, I'll get it actually. So once you get it, so sign up, you'll get a OTP, you log in. So then in that way, you can get a basically get a free credit, and you can generate the image actually, guys. So this is a simple trick. Okay, simple trick to get the use the runway ML, and yeah, no need to pay any amount. So this will be get benefit, guys. So I have like a global GPT. So I have already some credits are there. I'm going to use. So go to globalgpt.com, click on this one. So I'm going to upload the recently downloaded image. Okay, so go to download. Yeah, click on this is just now generated. Okay, so it is processing. So just now generated, guys. Instruct to we this one. Okay, please create a nice HD quality, HD HD quality, quality video from attached image. Okay, attached image, and so please don't alter. Okay, don't alter the image in the video. Okay, in the video you need to mention, and also the video, the full image has to be covered in the video, and don't add a watermark in it. Okay, in it. So okay, this you try it, guys. So I'm going to use like a less cost one. So I'm switching so that I'll get, please create HD quality video from the attached image, and please don't alter the image in the video, and so you just don't add watermark, just click on the generate button. So when you generate, it will take maximum 1 or 2 minutes. So Then like wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys. Actually, like I have pretty amazing video is going to generate. Okay, so yeah, it is progressing quickly. It is progressing. So and we will wait, guys. Actually, wow, boom. I think so. We are going to boom, guys. Actually. See, there is a progress bar, guys. Takes 1 minute. So till that, I can explain the. We can come back. So yeah, let's say temp email generated. So refresh. Yeah. So it is going to generate one more. Yeah, it has generated this one. We can utilize this one. Okay. Just click on the change email address. It will change the email address. Uh, yeah. Now again change it. Click on generate. Like you will get a more new image. Your new email ID. Hello guys. So basically see when I selected the model and generated. So this is how I generated, guys. Actually, so this is a recently generated. You can see that this is a beautiful video also generated by Global GPT, and you can utilize this basically this type of viral images, and you can see that so many Facebook images and filled with a lot of trending. This is a trending in the even Instagram, Facebook, and any other social media. So see here, guys, like here baby is sleeping actually inside a lace actually. Wow, such amazing actually. So even this I also created using the simple prompt. I'll be giving the prompt actually when you comment on the prompt. Okay, in the video. Okay, if you like this video and like please share with your friends as well, guys. So with a simple prompt, no need to pay any amount, so we can create and get benefited from the AI technologies, guys. Wow. So that's all, guys, as part of this video. So see you in the next video. Okay. Guys, don't please don't forget to